What's going on, everybody? Welcome to Always Occupied Home and Product Reviews. And in this review, we are going to go over this smart screen. If you're not into doing electrical work, I'm not going to say people are tired of the ones that's goes into your dash. I'm not going to say people are tired of them, but a lot of people don't know anything about car electrical wires and stuff like that. It's overwhelming. And nowadays, I don't even know how much people charge to install your car stereos and stuff like that. I still plan on getting the in-dash car stereo that goes right inside. I still plan on getting one, but I need to get the kit. I want to get a kit, the proper kit for it, so that way when I install a radio, I have the proper kit. But right now we are going to go over this one. This one I might use in my wife's car. I'm not sure. She has a 2006 Toyota Camry, you guys. Not everybody has a 2025. So let's go ahead and open this. This is a pretty big screen. Okay, so you have the plate right here in which you can put this on your dash as well. More wires, get your screen. And you guys, this is a nice size screen. I'm not going to lie. So you get your screen. Oh, you got 3 different levels. Oh, nice. Okay. Well, 2 different levels. So you can have it high and then you can have it low. Stick it on here first. I'm just rubbing it in for a little bit and then I'll put it on. You have your aux, your TF card. Just in case you want to bring some music with you, you can have your TF card right there. AV in and USB Type-C. Hook this up on our 3-way. All right, I got my dash camera. Okay, so my dash camera will have to get moved a little bit so I don't see that, blah, blah, blah. All right. Anyway, so now we have select your language. We are English. And wow, this is nice. Okay. All right, you guys, I'm going to give y'all the final review with this monitor. I have to say, I love this thing. I love this thing. I love it. All right. I just wish I could put it here. If I could put it in the center, it'd be good. Other than that, it's just a monitor in your way of your driving. That's all. The monitor is good though. One thing I have to say is the music is louder. I don't have no special speakers or nothing like that, but this thing is louder than the normal speakers. Like if I'm using the normal radio, I mean, if I put the volume up on the normal radio, it's like whatever. But you know, if I put it all the way up on the normal radio, but when I put it all the way up on this, like, dude, you can hear the music from far distance. My phone automatically hooks up to it. Okay, so I mean, it is what it is on that, and it automatically goes to maps. It shows you your navigation. You can do all types of stuff. WhatsApp, YouTube Music. Like, comment, share, and subscribe.